After a 2-month hiatus, the National Assembly is expected to get back on track. Rival parties have submitted a request to open a June extraordinary session despite objections from the main opposition. Mok-yeon gets us up to speed with the developments.
After more than 2 months trying to reach a deal, 4 major parties have decided to open the June extraordinary session without the agreement of the main opposition Liberty Korea Party. There had been growing calls for lawmakers to get moving again, end their standoff, and deal with the crucial bills on people's livelihoods and the extra budget. The floor leader of the Bareunmirae Party, Shin-hwan, announced Monday at the Assembly that the train to the June session had departed at 2 p.m. and asked for the ruling and main opposition parties to join in. Soon after, ruling Democratic Party Chairman Lee-chan said that they had waited long enough for the main opposition party.
We've done enough negotiating with people who think only about their interests. We're going to open the parliamentary committees chaired by members of our party as soon as possible.
A request to convene an extra session requires signatures from at least a quarter of the 298 sitting lawmakers. Later in the day, the threshold was met and the request form was finally submitted with the signatures of 98 lawmakers in total belonging to the ruling Democratic Party, the Bareunmirae Party, the Justice Party, and the Party for Democracy and Peace. The Liberty Korea Party did not take part, having demanded that key bills put on fast track last month be invalidated and that a hearing be held on the nation's economy. LKP Chairman Mok-yeon says the ruling party ignored those demands. He has once again requested private talks with President Moon Jae-in, which he claims will be crucial to saving Korea's economy. Earlier this month, President Moon turned down Hwang's request to meet one-on-one. The presidential office instead proposed a 5-party session together with the heads of major parties, but Hwang refused to join. Mok-yeon, Arirang News.